Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It helps other people know when we post videos. Well, who doesn't love ice cream? And I absolutely love ice cream. And of course, ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. And so I plan on making a series of videos, new videos with ice cream using the old-fashioned mason jar method. And I made this last year and it kind of came out really good, and I want to try them again. Now, I did make one recipe using the cottage cheese ice cream. I did like it, and I'm going to plan on making some more of those as well. Maybe at some point we'll do a comparison and see which one tastes better. But if you buy the traditional ice cream, it packs a lot of sugar and carbs, and that's what we're trying to stay away from. So this particular ice cream video comes to you from Duff, and I have the link below to show more. And according to Mr. Joe there, is on the you'll need some type of chocolate, and we're going to use the Hershey's cocoa powder, which is sugar-free. We're going to take, and we're going to measure up everything in grams and see how close we can come to his recipe. 7 grams of cocoa powder, or 1 tablespoon. It calls for 2 tablespoons of confectioner powdered swerve, which we have, but we're going to, and the gram amount is 24 grams. Now he calls for 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. We don't have heavy whipping cream because remember I couldn't find it at the store, so we got heavy cream, and that should work just as fine, or 235 millimeters. And then we're going to pour in 1 tablespoon of pure extract, and then vanilla extract. And then we'll give it a old shake-a-roo and put it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. And it's recommended that you shake it every now and then to fully incorporate mixing it up really well. But I made this particular recipe a number of times before, and I absolutely miss those famous little summer treats. And, we're getting pretty close to the end of the month here in the month of May. And starting in the month of June, we're going carnivore. So I'll be giving up a lot of these sweetie treats there for the month of June. And hopefully my feet will get a little bit better. And I'm going to have a lot to talk about at week 144. So be watching for that video, probably Sunday or Monday. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Again, just follow me along with these step processes and you'll be fine. And, we're going to take out the scale, and we prep everything in the back room, as most of you know, and then we'll finish it off into the front room. But in this particular case, I'll just do it all in the back room, put it in the freezer, and then when it's ready to have a sample of, we'll have it together in the back room and talk about it. But the other thing about that is, if you wanted to get the authentic look at the color of the ice creams, you can get some food coloring and put it in. But when you're dealing with food coloring, try to use a towel on it when you unscrew the cap and stuff, because it gets all over your fingers, and you're going to be whatever color fingers you're going to have for the day until it starts washing off. I learned that the hard way, especially with that red food coloring that I use for the strawberry, when I make strawberry ice cream. But other than that, it's pretty much simple. But anyways, you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, I love you, God loves you. Have a great day, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and we are back. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share and smash that subscribe button? Well, earlier today we made a chocolate ice cream with the recipe came to you from Joe Duff, and he did it in a mason jar. So we decided to do ours in a Ninja blender bullet, and we had a small little Ninja bullet, and it came out really fantastic. It's been about 4 hours, and I just I got the craving for chocolate ice cream today. So I wanted to show you how we put this in this cardboard container we got off of Amazon. Any container will really work. So what I did was I used my small little Ninja blender bullet and got it all mixed up. He stacked ingredients and weighed up everything in grams, how he did his. And yeah, and this is the final product of the ice cream. This is what it looks like from that in. Nice and creamy and smoothie. Let's see, put it on an angle so you can see. This has been setting for about 4 hours, and I suppose you want me to take a bite, don't you? So that was really, really good, and yeah, so, you know, I'm going to, over the course of the next few weeks, and since we're getting into the summer months, I'm going to start making a new series of ice cream videos, and they should be pretty interesting. I did the cottage cheese one. I'm okay with it. I'll probably make another one or two before I make my final assessment on it. But I like this method really better because it's ice cream for one person. Well, you can probably get 2 servings out of that depending on your appetite. But yeah, so anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, remember, I love you. God loves you. Have an amazing day.